Today I've got something really special for you guys, or should I rather say Audi has something really special for us, because this is the e-tron S Sportback. What's special about it? Well, we're at the proving ground of Audi Sports, and this car is in a pre-series state. You don't get to drive a car really often that is not yet really finished, so let's go.
To be fair, the car is more than 90% finished, so it's not going to fall apart while driving. All-wheel drive, suspension, and technical features will be almost the same when it goes into series production. There will be some minor tweaks, but that's it.
It's not a coincidence that Audi is showing this car this year, because they are celebrating 40 years of Quattro. Flashback.
The name Quattro will forever be associated with Audi's motorsport success in the 1980s, when it seemed almost every rally race was won by a car with that distinctive Audi profile. Four-wheel drive wasn't new, but it hadn't been fitted in mass production or rally cars before. Audi continually refined its Quattro technology over the decades, but it's no longer needed with electric motors that sit directly at the axle, as with the e-tron.
So let's take a quick look at the data of the car. 370 kilowatts of power, 973 newton meters of torque. That's incredible. No one needs that much power, but it's so much fun.
With such amazing torque, you can get the wheels spinning even at pretty low speeds. At least if you deactivate the ESP or set it to dynamic mode.
Now I've got a surprise for you guys, because I'll be getting in the passenger seat and then I'll take a spin around the track with former rally champion Stig Blomqvist.
Stig won the 1984 World Rally Championship with Audi, the high point of his almost 30-year career. He started with Saab in his native Sweden before joining the German manufacturer just after the Quattro was introduced. Overall, he raced in more than 120 events, winning the rallies of Sweden, San Remo, and New Zealand, among many others. He actually trained as a driving instructor before opting out for the wilder side on the rally circuit. Being a true petrolhead, Stig isn't exactly a friend of electric cars, so let's see.
So, what do you think about this new car?
This car now, I have to change my mind a little bit, because this car is really nice to drive as well and good fun. So it's now they've done a fantastic job with the electric and the software on this car, because it's doing what this car is doing. Think of the size and the weight of the car, it's really incredible.
The e-tron S weighs in at around 2.6 tons, but you barely notice that while driving. And it makes the dash from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.5 seconds.
So let's quickly wrap it up. This car is so much fun to drive, so much fun. But does anyone really need a car with that much power? No. But it helps raising awareness that e-mobility can be really fun and sporty as well. Nice.
There's still no official launch date or price tag for the e-tron S Sportback, but it's bound to cost more than the regular Sportback, which will set you back some €71,000.